Hello, G. My name is Jimmy. I am an artificial intelligence professor. Today, starting new class of AI with all non-AI students. I will take it as challenge. Let us start our journey to AI world. Hello, class. Today we will start with ChatGPT and artificial intelligence. I hope you will take interest and try your best. I will try my best to explain it. I know all of you are non-IT persons, got interested in AI. But all the definitions and terminologies and abbreviations got used in several lectures/tutorials/videos. You may got confused and was about to drop this idea. Then I thought out there a lot of people have same issues. So I decided to prepare a presentation for those who are willing but don't have time to search all technical words and their definitions. Tried to make it simple and easy for better understandings. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the theory and development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that historically required human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, making decisions, and identifying patterns. AI, which stands for artificial intelligence, is like teaching computers to think and learn, just like we do. Instead of just following strict instructions, AI helps computers make decisions and solve problems by themselves. It's all about making machines smart so they can do tasks that normally need human intelligence, like recognizing faces, understanding speech, or playing games. AI uses data and algorithms to figure things out and got better at them over time. It's like giving machines a brain of their own to make our lives easier and more efficient. The background of AI, in simple terms, is like its history and how it came to be. AI has been around for a while, but it really started to take off in the mid-20th century, when scientists and engineers began trying to make machines act and think like humans. They wanted to create computers that could learn from data, make decisions, and solve problems without being explicitly programmed for each task. Over time, AI technology got better and more capable thanks to advances in computer hardware and software. Researchers developed algorithms and models that could process massive amounts of data and make predictions, recognize patterns, and even understand language. AI has become a big part of our lives, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and recommendation systems that suggest what movies to watch or products to buy online. So AI's background is all about the journey of making machines smarter and more helpful in various aspects of our daily lives. AI, or artificial intelligence, is used in many different ways to help us in our daily lives. Here are some common uses. Virtual assistants. AI powers virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. They can answer questions, set reminders, and control smart devices in our homes. Recommendations. AI is used on websites like Amazon and Netflix to suggest products or movies based on what you've liked before. Self-driving cars. AI helps cars drive themselves safely by making decisions and reacting to the road and traffic conditions. Healthcare. AI can analyze medical data to help doctors diagnose diseases and develop treatment plans. Customer service. Some companies use AI chatbots to answer customer questions quickly and efficiently. Gaming. AI is used in video games to control non-player characters, NPCs, and create more challenging opponents. Language translation. AI can translate languages in real time, making it easier for people to communicate across language barriers. Finance. AI is used to detect fraudulent transactions and make investment decisions. Manufacturing. AI-controlled robots and machines can perform repetitive tasks in factories, making production more efficient. Education. AI can provide personalized learning experiences for students, adapting to their individual needs. These are just a few examples, but AI is being used in many other fields as well. It's all about making our lives easier, more convenient, and sometimes even safer through smart computer systems that can think and learn.